Lonzo!
Box out, guys.
Pick it up! There you go. There you go. Oh. Back up, Jake! Oh! Good rebound. Good hustle, Amrata. Work. Keep it up.
Come on, defense! Get that ball!
Red!
Oh, man.
Cut, Noah! Got it out for him. He's going to stay. I'll give him that.
I'm telling you,
He's got it out for him. Push him out, Noah.
he's getting into his head now.
Box him out. Good job, Ty. Good job, Ty. Red ball.
Right, Ty!
That's a hustle, Ty. Ball.
Help out, help out!
Come on, Lonzo. Pop a three. Pop a three. That's you, Lonzo. That's you, Lonzo. Nice. Rebound. Oh, travel. Travel.
Nope, foul before the travel.
There you go. Wow. Oh!
Right there.
All right, Chris! he hit him. Come on.
Hands up. Hands up.
Double that.
There you go. Hold it, Jigs. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Good pass, Jigs.
Let's go defense. Defense, let's go.
Oh, man. Come on, I got that.
There you go, Jigs.
Hey, Lonzo.
Hey, keep working. Come on, bud.
Don't stop
No, I stay in front of him.
Front him, go up front.
Well, you better get it before Friday.
Come on. That's all right. Put him on the line. Put him on the line.
You can't foul that guy over there. He's a good free throw.
He's good.
1 out of 2. Maybe I'll miss one.
Keep fouling him, guys. 1 out of 2.
This guy's clutch on that, too.
Oh, good. All right. All right. Good foul. Good foul. Box out, boys.
Rebound this time. Rebound first.
Go man right here.
Come on, Jake. Set it up, bro.
Let's get some points on board.